Good afternoon all. Hope you all have enjoyed a lot this activity program. I am Vandana, the HR Admin Coordinator of ThinkFair. Distinguished members of our Faculty Development Program, Honorable Vice Chancellor of MTU, Mr. S.K. Kak, and all faculty members. It is a great pleasure for me to say a few words at the successful end of this Faculty Development Program on behalf of ThinkFair. I am very grateful for having had the opportunity to co-sponsor this event together with the GBTU and the MTU. Before we start certificate distribution, I would like to know if any faculty want to say something about their experience on this program. Anybody? Okay.
We would love to hear it. If anyone would like to have some comments on it.
Nobody? Okay, fine. Now I would like to request Mr. Kak to distribute certificates to respected faculties of MTU and GBTU. I would like to call all faculty members one by one to collect their certificates respectively. Firstly, Mr. Amit Chaudhary from NIEP, Greater Noida. Thank you, sir. Mr. A.K. Saraswat from AKGEC, Ghaziabad. Thank you, sir. Shilpa Sangvi, again from AKGEC, Ghaziabad. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Vaibhav Sharma from RKGIT, Ghaziabad. Vaibhav Sharma. Mr. Nitin Gupta from IILM, Greater Noida. Thank you, sir. Thanks for clapping. Mr. K.B. Singh, Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology of Greater Noida. Thank you, sir. Mr. M. Ram, again from Galgotia College. Thank you, sir. Mr. Rajneesh Kumar Singh, ABTS Engineering College. Thank you. Mr. Nitin Kumar from Sundardeep Engineering College. Thank you, sir. Mr. Harsh Kumar from Sundardeep Engineering College. Kindly clap a little bit louder. Mr. Ashish Mishra, UCER, Greater Noida. Mr. Rakesh Kumar from BITS, Ghaziabad. Thank you, Mr. Rakesh. Mr. Amir Khan from BITS, Ghaziabad. Thank you, sir. Mr. Nishant Saxena from PCCS, Greater Noida. Thank you. Mr. Ankush Kumar, again from PCCS. Thank you, sir. Ms. Garima Jain from BIT Meerut. from KIT Ghaziabad. Thank you, sir. Divya ma'am from the MGM Noida. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Ashwini Deshmukh, MGM Noida. Thank you, ma'am. Silky Jindal, Lord Krishna College of Engineering, Ghaziabad. Ravani ma'am from LKCE. Mr. Vinod Kumar from Dronacharya College. Mr. Jitendra Singh from Allen House Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Prachi Garg from Idea Institute of Technology. Thank you, ma'am. Geeta Saini from Idea Institute of Technology. Reshu Chaudhary from KEC Ghaziabad. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Vivek Singh Verma, KEC Ghaziabad. Thank you, sir. Tripti Tripathi from Indraprasth Engineering College. Ritu Agarwal from Indraprasth Engineering College. Rishi Singhal from NIT Greater Noida. Mr. Devanshu Dubey, ABD Institute of Technology, Noida. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Kaur. It's a great pleasure to inform that we are going to organize some more events in future, and maybe in next month. Now I would like to request Mr. Chaitanya Sahu to present a small token of gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor on behalf of Team Thinkware. Please clap. Now I would like to invite Professor S.K. Kaur to share his thoughts about our FTV program. Thank you.
First of all, I hope these few days here you had some amount of exposure. I won't say that this is something we are doing very, very novel, but of the same, I thought it was good to have some hands-on training about the embedded systems and give you some sort of a preliminary or introductory training in this area. There will be various faculty development programs in various areas: electronics, computer science, information technology, mechanical engineering, and management, communication skill development, pedagogy, and even in areas which we think are essential for the teachers of tomorrow. We are talking about such areas as microsatellites. We are talking of such areas as software-defined radios. We are going to talk about such areas as technology in terms of flexible computing. So these kind of faculty development programs will be run periodically and regularly from this particular campus. The aim is to empower our faculty that they are second to none, and we want that they take interest in transferring this knowledge from whatever little they gain to the students. Because I believe it's very importantly said that when you sit down and learn, there is a certain part of information that gets absorbed. When you sit down to teach, that multiplies and that grows. So if you go back and teach the students what you have learned here, you will obviously add your particular perspective, you will obviously add your particular innovation and your particular ideas to it. And that is what is going to enrich it. Presently, we are going to have whatever little lectures and other things have been communicated to you. They will be available to you on our website after a few days. And you can access that. If there is some information that you want to give back, that you have started a new experiment, or you have started a new application, or you have used this in a different way, we would like to put it on the website with your name on it, so that people get motivated to do that kind of a thing and to come up with new ideas, with new technological applications of these embedded systems. Today, whether you talk of any consumer item or whether you talk of any particular electronics item, the embedded system is the backbone. That's how we make them smart. We make the system smart, and that's how we make them consumer friendly. So if you are in the area, if you want to really get into this area, there's a big opportunity, both for the individual as a research activity and research and development activity, and third important thing, in the IP domain. There's an enormous amount of capability that you can do in the IP domain using embedded technology. There's no dearth of ideas, no dearth of technologies that cannot be implemented through embedded systems, and that is the challenge, and that is what I think you should try to attempt. There are journals now which are totally devoted to embedded systems. There are companies which are devoted to embedded systems, and why I said that this is just a preliminary, just an introduction, just a beginning, because we have talked only about 8-bit microcontrollers. There's a huge area. Now we are trying to talk in terms of not only 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit microcontrollers, we are also talking in terms of aggregated microcontrollers. And that's where the flexible computing comes in. So those are the ideas, those are the technologies that you can progress to be through your own effort, through the effort of the university, and through the effort of these faculty development programs. So keep it up. We want to see you grow. We want to see you develop. We want you to contribute to the university will be as good as you make it. You are the foundation to this particular university. You are part of us, and we will be known by your effort, not by any other's effort. So you are my prime asset, so to say, because these buildings, these all things, they can come out only out of the mind. And if you work towards that goal that you can create, then that is what is going to be the prime asset of this university. Any university is known by two factors. Number one, how it creates knowledge, and number two, how it disseminates that knowledge. If we are creating knowledge, naturally we will have an urge to disseminate it. If we are not able to create knowledge, then we are only passing the second-hand knowledge to our students. And that charm and that thrill is taken away. So try to be creative, try to be innovative, try to be original, try to give something new in your classroom to your student, and then you will see the spark coming back to you in terms of their recognition, in terms of their respect, in terms of their regard, and in terms of their meeting you anytime down the lane 20 years and respecting you even at that time even more. That is the best thing that a teacher gets back. So keep it up, God bless you, and thank you for coming over.
I'm sorry for a little bit late announcement for Suvarna ma'am. We have also a certificate here. I would like to request Professor Kar, please. So, please clap. Thank you, ma'am. I'm sorry. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable thoughts. Now I would like to call Mr. Chaitanya Sahu to share his views for this FTP program.
So, good evening all. Rather than sharing my views, I would like to thank all the faculties firstly to present who have been available over here for the last 1 week. Firstly, I would like to thank Professor Kaf also because this was his great initiative. Yes, because when I met Professor Kaf somewhere in the last week of December, I had just put up a proposal for the students only. And his thought was that rather than giving this program for the student, you develop a program for the faculties. Because I do not want to train 30 students of UP Technical University, I want to multiply by a figure of 100. That is only being possible when you will be training the faculties. So that was the great initiative. We had got the platform and we had conducted a program. So lately I will be going through the feedback forms also and try to improve ourselves. And I would again like to thank all the faculties members who are available over there. The main idea about this program is to bridge the gap between the academics and what is going into the industry. You had noticed this thing for the last 6 to 7 days we are working properly onto the practical based training, right? So that is what we want to impart the training with. I want that when you will moving from here to your campus back, kindly try to give transfer the same knowledge to the students. Then only the motive of thinkware and the MTU and GBTU will be what giving such kind of program, right? I thank you once again, Professor Kar, all the faculty members, and to the team Thinkware who has made this happen, and especially to Mr. Anand Mohan, who is the team leader of Thinkware into the R&D department. And once again, I would like to thank Mr. Tushar Mishra, because his efforts we haven't seen from the front end side, but he has done a lot to make this program held successful. Thank you all. Thank you very much.